So we're in Belfast. In the distance there you've got the Europa Hotel, which was the most bombed hotel in Ireland when they had the Troubles. Next door is the Opera House, and across the road you've got a couple of pubs, well, quite a few pubs. And this is a typical London taxi. There's a white version. And so this is the entrance to Grand Central Station. And that's Cafe Nero. There's a guy posing there, look at that. So it's also got Grand Northern Mall, which should eventually bring us into the new railway station, Grand Central Station. So I mean, there's a Sunday, the shops are closed, so at least there's no pipe music. Well, most of the shops are closed. There's this guy there selling phone cases and probably protective screens. And there's a bakery there, Bread Street. Yeah. There's a sweet shop. So this is supposed to be the entrance to the railway station. I've never been this way, it's only recently opened. Straight ahead, turn left for St Andrew's Pickup and Belfast. Turn right. So this was originally the old bus station, which is now closed down. And they've opened a new one. And they opened it on the 8th of September 2024. So this is the entrance. This will all probably be gone because it's no longer used, is it? So you can see where the buses once stopped outside there. So there it is, it took us a bit of a wild goose chase that, wasn't it, you know? So we'll say, I'll keep on filming for a bit longer. Look at all the pigeons on the roof there. Look at the people, they're all dressed like it's winter because it is. I think that taxi there is a Mark IV. They no longer make them. So I'm sure when you come to Belfast, it'll all be different. All these roadworks and arrows and stuff like that will be gone. Because it'll be finished. There's an old beer can there. Well, I don't know how old it is, but it's a beer can. It's certainly taken us around the block, isn't it? I think that's a phone mast there, you know. Quite windy as well. Well, we seem to be going across against the crowd there, don't we? See when you know. So I'm going to do a part 2. Thanks for watching. Remember to click on part 2. So today we're going to have a look around Grand Central Station in Belfast. And this is part 2 of our video. So this is the entrance. Entrance, they are. Entrance. And so you got down there trains 1 to 8. This is M&S Foods, and a place where you buy a ticket. Very Christmassy. It's December the 1st. Upstairs you've got the bus station, goes to Dublin, Londonderry, Belfast. Well, we're in Belfast. So that's the M&S food place. Upstairs you've got a variety of shops. Frack Beer's even got a bar up there. There's an ATM if you need a bit of cash. Outside is the bus station there. There only seems to be one bus there at the moment, but I'm sure more will arrive. Customer support. So Belfast's quite a multiracial city. I was just listening to some of the staff here. They were talking, I think, with a bit of an Indian accent, which is good. You've got a variety of people. I always think that's good, you know. There's the toilets. Starbucks. Why they've got the green and white, that must be the symbol for Starbucks. I always thought it was a symbol for Southern Ireland, but it must be the symbol for Starbucks. Anyway, they're still not finished. Yeah, of course this is both. So they've got the rail departures there, Dublin, Conley, Whitehead, I don't know where that is, Bangor. So they've got a bar up there. Please mind the gap. So there's a bit of an art exhibition there. I think there were people who built the place. I don't know how long it took to build, but it's quite an impressive building, isn't it? There's like photographs of people. Do you know that woman? Oh, maybe they're just general people. I think the people who built it, aren't they, you know? So there's the platforms and trains. You have to produce a ticket which you scan and it lets you through to the platforms. So I will say thanks for watching. If you would, put a like for me, maybe put a comment.